Okay, welcome back. And I want to continue with Sitting Gills 2357 5357. And again, please remember that the numbers may change, but the knowledge and the technology remains the same. Okay? And that's constantly upgraded all the time. But the change in numbers is not relevant to anything. It does not affect your knowledge or the knowledge that's been imparted to you. Okay? Now here's session 6 for diagnosis, procedures and associated paperwork. Okay, make sure you can see that. Okay, before. Okay, let's go back up. Okay. Session 6, state objectives, state what documentation is used when fault finding, state the implication fault finding has on clients, customers, state the procedures for carrying out fault diagnosis. Okay. And again, documentation. The documentation that is useful when fault finding could be any or all of the following. Also be aware of any new documentations that may come into play due to the fact that we have now left the EU. Okay. Now again, you can read this for yourself. Don't need me to highlight or read this in any shape or form for you. Okay. Okay, just looking for something there that I thought that might be useful. Fine. Doesn't look that way. Okay. Right, good, thank you. Let's go back. Make sure we can get you full in. Okay. Okay. Well, again here for you to read. I have no intention of reading this off for you. That is your role. That is your responsibility. Okay. And here you have implication of fault diagnosis. Okay. And your procedure. group test. Now look at this. Remember, this is your resistance total in regards to parallel resistors. Okay. Okay. Just to make sure it's that I got it all in and it's readable. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. Thank you. And here you have your for loop impedance testing. Okay. Overcurrent protective devices. Okay. 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 And again here for you to read for yourselves and take on board. Okay. I hope you found this useful, and I'll say bye for now. And please remember to read the other information that goes with this. These are not done in isolation. They are part of a continued process of learning and lessons. Okay, so look in the playlist and you'll see all those videos that you will need to be viewing for yourselves. Okay, right, thank you. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye for now.